how to join Fiverr affiliate program. To join it, you have to go to Google, look for Fiverr affiliate program, click on this first link here. Now to join it, you have to click on join now. Now here you can use your Google account or use your normal email address. I will use my Google account here. I will just go and click on account here and choose my username, right? So once I go with my username here, click on create my account, right? And within few seconds I have to fill up this sign up option. I have to fill up all this information to join the Fiverr affiliate. So your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and Skype ID. So you have to fill up each and everything and then just go and click on next. Now once you join it, you will able to see, you will become in the dashboard here, and once your dashboard, you will able to explore each and everything, and then you can share Fiverr links here and you will get a commission on it, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.